Top 10 coin holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video, once again I'm talking about dent coin. What's the current price of dent coin? What's the price change occurring in the dent coin? In this video I will show you, my friends, but before starting this interesting video, I request everyone to please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. My friends, at this time, the price of the Dent coin is going down. From the last 1 month, the price of Dent coin is going down day by day, hour by hour, minute by minute. But the current situation of the Dent coin is going positive, and I really appreciate this move of the Dent coin, my friends. You can see here that the last 1 hour pricing is 0.003496 USD dollar is the latest price of Dent coin in the market, my friends. That is the currently live price of Dent in the market. On the other side, my friends, if we talk about the price changes of the Dent coin, so the last 1 hour pricing is negative, and the last one day pricing is going positive 11.46%. Absolutely a huge massive gains occurs by dentcoin yesterday, my friends. But for after some period of time, the price again start falling down, but now the current situation is again going positive. You can see here, my friends, that is the last one day price chart of the dentcoin, and from this chart, my friends, everyone can understand that dentcoin start jumping, my friends. You can see here that they start jumping, and the pricing is also positive. So absolutely yesterday, and now the current situation is also going positive, so the massive gains occur by 10 point, my friends. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Please, I request everyone once again to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.